So you're on the way to the cottage when you get a low tire pressure warning, and you pull over to find this. Now, I know a lot of us carry roadside assistance, which is great, but I want to show you how to fix this problem in under 10 minutes with an inexpensive tire repair toolkit, pliers, and a pump. You can pick one of these up at your local hardware store for about 15 bucks, and it comes with all the tools and plugs you need for a quick fix. Now, you don't even have to take the tire off the car to do this fix. Luckily, mine was in my front tire, so I turned the steering wheel to aim the area I want to fix outward. Now, using your pliers, grab a hold of the nail or screw and work it out of the tire. Have your reaming tool ready to jam in the hole so you don't lose too much air. Add a little bit of glue around the hole and on the tool. Then forcefully use the rasp's rounded edges to make the hole nice and round, and leave the tool in the hole. Take one of your plugs from the kit and insert it through the hole in the tire plugger. Making sure it's centered will ensure both ends of the plug are installed evenly in the tire. Add a bit more glue. Now, pull the reaming tool out, trying not to lose too much air, and insert the plug tool, leaving about 1 inch sticking out. Then quickly remove the tire plug tool. Use a utility knife or your pliers to trim off the excess. If not, don't worry about it, it's gonna fall off eventually. Top your tire back up to its manufacturer recommended PSI and you're good to go. I've used this trick a few times and I've never had a problem, and most mechanics will tell you that these plugs will last the rest of the tire's life. A quick fix like this and you'll be back on the road in no time.